What up, nomads? In this video, I'm back on the topic of beauty, specifically which beauty devices I take with me on the road. Now, like most of you, I follow my fair share of influencers on Instagram, and sometimes I see them post about taking LED masks, teeth whitening kits, and 2 to 3 Dyson devices on a trip, and that takes up so much space. I'll admit, if it's a trip over 2 weeks, I'm a bit guilty of this too, and I'll share which beauty devices get my travel seal of approval. Let's go! First up is electric toothbrushes. There's a spectrum of toothbrushes on the market, and a frequent traveler has the choice of a foldable travel toothbrush all the way to those countertop rechargeable ones, complete with a cradle and built-in water pick. On a weekend getaway, I'm all about the minimal set. But if I'm honest, having a super clean mouth is really worth the space of an electric toothbrush, especially the newer ones that have a longer battery life and more minimal travel case. My favorite compromise is the Foreo Isa toothbrush. I actually have the kids version because it's small, cute, and the head gets to my wisdom teeth more easily. The medical grade silicone is easy to clean, and you can purchase the head that's soft on gums or the hybrid kind that I like. It holds a charge super long, but if it's a longer trip, the USB charging cable is pretty small and easy to pack. Number 2 is a cleansing brush. Washing your face with your clean fingers is totally fine, but I really do love the extra scrub of a sonic brush. I used to have the Clairsonic one, but personally felt it a bit irritating, and the brushes got gross fast and they were kind of expensive to replace. So now I use the Foreo Luna Mini. I also have the Luna Play Mini, but it's not rechargeable, so I keep it for short overnighters so I don't waste the battery. Just like Apple products, I'm fully invested in the Foreo line, which means one charging cable works with all my devices, so I only have to pack one cable. Okay, let's talk microcurrent devices. These are super trendy right now, and I did just post a full review of the Foreo Bear Mini versus the NuFace Mini on my blog if you want to check it out. My winner for travel friendly was the Bear Mini, and I plan to take this little guy with me on most trips because so much of microcurrent success is contingent on keeping up with it. The only downside of this is that microcurrents require a gel. And if you're sticking to small quart bags for carry-on liquids, that's a whole spot dedicated to the gel, which is maybe not worth it on every trip. You can always pick up a cheap tube of aloe vera gel as a substitute, and these are great for sunburns too if you end up needing that on your trip. For really short trips, I would just give myself a regular manual facial massage, and like I said, for longer trips, bring my Bear Mini. The UFO 2 is a facial device. Not just because it's a device you use on your face, but it's meant to kind of substitute getting a facial. Unless I'm staying at a nice hotel or have a facial scheduled in my vacation, it's unlikely that I'll book a facial anywhere but in my home city. So taking this with me, along with a few masks, is a nice way to keep up that glow on the road. It has a range of LED lights, not unlike the full LED mask that you see online. If you want to read my full review of this product, I'll leave a link to my blog post below. The last one on my beauty device list is my Dyson blow dryer with the diffuser attachment. I love my Dyson. I bought it with credit card points though, so I'll admit I didn't feel the full weight of spending $500 on a blow dryer, but it's the only thing that allows me to get really bouncy curls, and for any trip longer than a week, I always bring it. Okay, so let's talk about the beauty devices that I don't take with me on trips. Derma rollers and dermaplaning blades are the big ones. I got into these a while ago when they were pretty trendy, but I kind of fell out of the habit. And honestly, the upkeep to make sure that they're sterile is enough of a hassle, not to mention the risk of TSA not being super into the idea of you bringing needles and blades on the plane. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite beauty devices are and which ones you absolutely can't leave home without. Happy travels, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, Make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!